Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. Before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to the first 3 comments from my subscribers in my last video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you would like to be featured in a shout out, all you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, turn on your notifications so you're notified when I upload a video, and be one of the first 3 comments on my video, and I will feature your shout out in my next video that I make. Thank you so much for being here. For today's video, I will be reviewing the most famous Gel X dupe kit on the market. This is the Tipex Instant Apex Sculpted Acrylic Nail Tips Kit by 5 Angeles. They did send this to me as PR, so thank you so much, 5 Angeles. This kit comes with 120 piece nail tips, nail glue, base coat, and a mini nail lamp. This kit is the perfect solution for you to do your own nails at home. You can purchase this kit on the 5 Angeles website or on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave the links in the description box below. This happens to be the kit with the nail tips that are pre-etched on the inside, so you don't have to use an e-file to do that yourself. They are in the shape long ballerina, and from what I saw on the website and Amazon, that is the only length and shape option available. So hopefully in the future they will come out with more variety to choose from. As you can see, here's everything that comes inside the kit. This kit is definitely beginner friendly, and it comes with everything you need to start doing Gel X nails at home. I couldn't wait to have a look at these nail tips. I've been seeing them all over YouTube, and I thought they were going to be heavy, but they're actually really light and they feel like regular nail tips. You can clearly see the apex that is built onto the nail tip. These nails do not have a C-curve, so they will fit all nail beds. I happen to have flat nails, and when I sized these nails to fit me, they had a perfect feel to them. The strength of these nails is amazing, and I even had my husband try to bend the nail tip, and even he couldn't break it. So you know these tips are definitely high quality. I was anxious to do the magnifying part of the nail, and it just looks so cool. That's the built-on apex that gives that effect. I happened to receive the kit with the nail tips that come on these sheets with tabs instead of the nails in the little compartment, so that was a plus. I think the nails in these sheets like this make it so much easier to size your nails. You do get 5 sheets, so plenty of nails to do your own nails at home. I am going to be doing the pop-off method for today's video, so I will be applying my cuticle oil and a layer of top coat on top before starting. And if you want your nails to last, you do want to make sure you properly prep your nails to ensure you don't get any lifting. Here's the nails sized out to fit my nails, and I'm going to go ahead and add a thin layer of the base coat. And also the cord for the mini nail lamp was pretty long, which is always a good thing. And the lamp is also motion censored, which makes it so much easier to apply your nail tips. The nails go in and the light turns on. I did remember to put my protection glove on for this video since I'm going to be putting my whole hand in the big UV lamp. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of the nail glue on the cuticle area of the nail tip. This nail glue has an applicator tip, which makes it really nice to use. You do have to practice how much nail glue to apply. You don't need much at all. I will go ahead and press down onto my nail at a 45-degree angle and make sure there's no air bubbles. Then I'll flash cure in the mini lamp for about 10 seconds. Then I'll fully cure in the big lamp for a full minute after I apply all the nail tips. Here's how the nails look after they've been cured. I'm not used to such a high apex. My press-on nails are more flat compared to these nails, so I definitely needed to get used to it. Now I'm just going to clean up the cuticle area with my safety bit and my portable nail drill, and I'll come back in a bit. Now it's time to start the design. I will add a layer of primer, let that air dry for about a minute, then I'll add a thin layer of base coat and cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to take this nude color from Beetles in the color B745 and apply that to all the nails. I will do 2 coats and cure for 60 seconds in between each coat. Here's how they look after 2 coats. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my white gel polish and my 20mm liner brush, and I'll paint on some French tips on the thumb and middle finger, then cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to use my Model 1's rhinestone glue and apply some butterfly charms and rhinestones, then I'll cure for 60 seconds. I will apply the top coat off camera because it was kind of hard for me to go around the rhinestones and film, but I'll be back here in a bit. These nail tips are so different from what I'm used to. I haven't done a gel X dupe nail set in a couple of years, so I definitely need to get used to the feeling. But overall, this kit was awesome to use. The quality is amazing. I want to make some press-on nails with these tips in my next video. I highly recommend you purchase this kit for yourself if you want to get salon quality nails at home, because these nail tips are definitely worth it. So I am just filing the free edge to crispen up the shape, and I am going to file down the sides. I absolutely love how these nails turned out. I didn't do a pop-off method. These nails would definitely be on for weeks. I will be announcing the winners of my giveaway in my next video, so be sure to have your notification bell turned on so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!